India and the United Arab Emirates have decided to further strengthen their energy partnership, with the UAE set to store up to 30 million barrels of crude oil in India's strategic petroleum reserve. The announcement was made by the Ministry of External Affairs following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's brief visit to Abu Dhabi. During talks with UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, both sides welcomed a new strategic collaboration between Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserves Limited and Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, or ADNOC. The agreement aims to expand the UAE's role in India's emergency oil reserves, boosting India's long-term energy security. The two countries also agreed to explore the creation of strategic gas reserves in India. In addition, Indian Oil Corporation and ADNOC signed a separate pact for long-term LPG supply arrangements. Amid growing tensions in West Asia and uncertainty in global oil markets, India and the UAE highlighted the need for safe and uninterrupted navigation through the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical oil shipping routes. The MEA described the UAE as a key partner in India's energy security and said both countries would work on fresh initiatives involving crude oil, LNG and LPG supplies. Apart from energy cooperation, the visit also saw announcements of nearly $5 billion in UAE investments across banking, infrastructure and finance sectors, along with new agreements in defense, maritime cooperation, shipbuilding and advanced computing.